welcome back to another video. It's TikTok, for fun and gaming. Today I'm gonna be doing this Lego 3-in-1 camper van. Like there's a down here. There's a RV. Then there's an RV trailer and car, and then there is a lighthouse which you cannot see. But I am going to be building the camper van car. And then we'll see. I may not build another one. Well, this is 766 pieces. My train is 800, so it's going to take a while. So let's get
guys, now I'm going to open the package. Or the box. Alright. Alright, got it open. Ooh, lots of things. Lots of things. Whoops, dropped some things. Alright, so I got this thing. Kids go free to Legoland Resorts. Cool. Cool. All right. So, now we'll see. Here's a big book. This book is bigger than the other one, but that makes sense because there's three separate builds. Put that aside. Alright, so we have 2, 3, 4. Another 2. Another 4. A 1. And a second 3. Interesting. So there's 1 1, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s. Alright. So let's open the book. I not use a knife, and how about I use scissors like a normal person? Alright, this is 2 minutes long. This is a long intro already. So here we go. Here's the book. Oh, 5, I guess, through 127 is going to be this, and then 127 through 187 is going to be this, and 187, then 187 through 113? Okay, doesn't really make sense. 1 second. Here we go. So, yeah, so 126. Alright, that's a page number, and I was going through the step. So yeah, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to do this one up top. Let's get right into the video.
guys, holy cow, I'm not even joking. You see how dark the video is? That's because it's 8 o'clock at night. I started this about 5 o'clock. It's literally been so many hours for this one car. This one little car that doesn't seem that big. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see because it's so dark now because I usually use my window for light and my light. Well, now you can really only see my light because there's no, but basically, this opens. Pretty cool. So I will not be able to continue, so I'll have to do this tomorrow. Very cool car. So next is going to be the bottom half of the trailer. So yeah, let's get right into that. Well, for you guys it'll be right now. For me, it'll be tomorrow. So let's get right into it. So it has been a while. It's been about 2 hours, actually. And I have the trailer done, as you can see. The trailer took about 2 hours, like I said. And the car, you already saw. I can't remember how long it took. Because this is actually over a week later. I'm sorry, I've just been really, really busy. Anyways, cool things about the trailer. You look at this. Alright, so you lift the roof off, you take out this, put the roof back on, alright, then you can grab it, place it right there, lift it all the way up, grab this little kickstand, push the kickstand all the way up, and boom, you have yourself the awning. Another thing, it has these little kicks right here. So when it's set down without the truck, it sits, and you hook it up, and then you push in these, and you're set to drive. Another cool feature on the other side is if you grab this right here, with a little bit of pressure, you can unlock it. Then open that. So, there's the inside. Oh my gosh. Alright, so, basically, in the front here, there are these two little things. One has a camera in it, one has money in it, right here. Well, the money keeps slipping through these little holes. You see those little holes? Well, there's also those little holes on the inside, and somehow the money keeps slipping through it. Alright, well, that's it for this video. This one's actually shorter than my train set. Hopefully, I'm getting more Lego sets. I saw some other Lego sets. Thing is, these were a lot of pieces. This was Lego set 31108. Cost $60. And it was 266 pieces. So there was, actually, I basically used all the pieces. Actually, yeah, I used all the pieces. So they don't really have extra pieces. It's not like what I would expect is for like Lighthouse, there'd be extra pieces. Well, there's not extra pieces. So
obviously they made the pieces from here. Well, I don't know how they do it, but I like the trailer personally the best because it has a hitch or a trailer hitch. Yeah, the car has a trailer hitch. My $20 Lego tractor has a trailer hitch. This other Lego Jeep, which tows the dune buggy, has a trailer hitch. This little ATV has a trailer hitch. Get it? So the tractor, green Jeep, or the blue Caravan could carry this little jet ski, or could carry the trailer, camper trailer, or it could carry the dune buggy trailer. So that's why I think the trailer is the best, just because it comes with a car which is compatible with every other trailer. And then the trailer is compatible with any other car that has a hitch. And if you're making your own, you can use these two hitches on anything else. A long time ago, I built this, which is destroyed now, but it had a fifth wheel hitch. It was so cool, and I can't remember how I did it, or how Lego did it. But basically what you could do is have a switch piece with the trailer hitch, and then vice versa with the car trailer hitch. Anyways, if you enjoyed this build, then comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you enjoyed that one at least. I have 2 more Legos that's coming as of now, and we just hit 230 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. For those who are wondering, yeah, I stopped working on Betty's movie park, and I'm now making my own, so that's going to be epic. I'm going to upload more, so hopefully you enjoyed that one. We got 2 more Legos that's coming, and yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later. Have a good day.